Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix invalid destination address on Samsung Galaxy A15. So to fix this issue, first of all open settings. Now in settings scroll down and here click on apps. Now after opening apps, click on this filter icon and turn on show system apps. Now scroll down and here click on SIM toolkit and then go to the storage of SIM toolkit. Now clear the app data and cache memory of SIM toolkit. Now here click on delete to confirm and then go back to apps and now search messages. Now open the messages app and then go to the storage of messages app. Now here after opening storage, clear the app data and cache memory of messages. Now click on delete to confirm